Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to view your iPod Touch from your computer using Tight VNC Viewer and Vinci from Cydia. Most people have been having problems using Vinci because it just pop up with a black screen. And the one I'm going to show you today is a fix for Vinci. You got to add a source, so go into your sources and edit, add. You want to type in cydia.myrepospace.com/rats RATZ 96 / I'll have the source in the description box down at the bottom if you didn't get that. That's myrepospace.com/rats96. Once you have that added, just go into it, scroll down, and you should see Vinci fixed. You want to uninstall your old Vinci and install this one. See, it says black screen problem fixed. Okay, just install it. Once you installed it, go into your computer and go to tightVNC.com. Now, if you're on Windows 7, you want to get the new beta version for Windows Vista and Windows 7. If you're on Vista, get latest version for all platforms. Okay, so just click on latest version for all platforms if you're on Vista, and on the first one, hit download right there. Once you have that downloaded, you go into it and you want to type in your IP address. I'm going to use a fake one for the sake of the video. Let's see, 192.368.100.2. I don't know. That's just a fake one. And you'll just hit connect on it, and your iPod should connect to it. If it doesn't connect, then you might want to go into your iPod and check and see if your Vinci is turned on. But it should be turned on as soon as you add it. So scroll down, go to Vinci, and I have a password on mine right there, and mine's enabled. Just hit enabled, off, on. See, I just turned mine off because I just showed you how to do it. Well, that's how you do it. Thank you. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe.